We are here at the Big Bang to honor amazing innovators and entrepreneurs from UC Davis and all over the state of California. We give away $100,000 in grants for inspiring innovations that are going to change the world.
Hey, I'm Jeremy Ampofo. I'm CEO of HerdSense, and I'm here with HerdSense to end premature cow lameness. 1 in 4 cows at the moment are lame, which means they have a visible limp. So we at HerdSense have built an AI and ML lameness detection tool to help end that early lameness and bring that 1 in 4 cows on a herd that produce your milk, your cheese, your yogurt, and make those cows healthy.
Hello everyone, I'm Navi Gill, CEO and founder of Offstage AI. We're helping reimagine manufacturing in North America by using AI agents that troubleshoot issues in real time and help operators and technicians solve them as they occur, rather than just getting buried by the data and finding the solutions later.
Hi, I'm Marie Klein, and I'm a business development fellow. I'm a postdoc in the plant sciences department. I work with trees, I'm in the field, I do research. So this is a great experience for me to have business knowledge and learn the language and learn something new I wasn't familiar with. I am the co-founder of Ground Truth Genomics, and we offer whole genome certainty for high-value crops. If you are a grower or a farmer or a nurseryman and you want to check your plant material, we can come out to the field and we offer a service to check the genomic integrity. That includes mutation, but also is the variety actually the variety that you were hoping for?
I'm Grant Scruggs, and I'm the COO of Eloquent. At Eloquent, we're transforming everyday communication into eloquent speech that really makes an impact. We're trying to help people with technology and to make sure that they have the best speech and the best foot forward in every meeting they're in.
Hi, we're Team First Bite, and we're a team of UC Davis biomedical engineering undergraduates. We're working on a non-adhesive, more secure endotracheal tube holder for the NICU and PICU, and our goal is to protect life's first breaths.
Hi guys, we're First Bite, and we just won first place at Big Bang. And we're so grateful for all our mentors and all the help that we got from everyone at Big Bang, and I'm so grateful for him.
No, it's been a long process to get here. It's been really good. We've had a lot of interviews with clinicians and a lot of work with a bunch of people, so we'd like to thank all of them for the input they've had in this device, and we really hope we can get it out in the market and be able to help a lot of little babies out there and help them live a better life.
Thank you.
Thank you.